Incidents related to fraud are increasing in Indian banks, found India Banking Fraud Survey conducted by audit and consultancy company Deloitte Touche Tohmatsu Limited. Deloitte surveyed 44 banks in which more than 50% of the respondents said fraud-related incidents increased at least 10% in the last 2 years. Most of the incidents were linked to retail banking, including frauds linked to internet banking, automated teller machines, and debit card and credit cards apart from identity frauds. The banks surveyed pointed to an average loss of Rs 10 lakhs per fraud in retail banking, while a similar incidence in the corporate banking side led to a loss of Rs 2 crore. Majority of the respondents indicated that less than 25% of the reported fraud loss value is recovered, Deloitte said. According to Deloitte, frauds in Indian banks are discovered mostly through customer complaints, internal whistleblowers, during reconciliation of accounts, or through automated data analysis or transaction monitoring software. In retail loans, it is important to prevent frauds when taking the customer on board, not after you give the loan, because it is very difficult to check where the funds are used. In corporate banking, because the relationships are much more long-term and are renewed frequently, end monitoring is important, said KV Karthik, Senior Director of Financial Advisory Services at Deloitte. He added that public sector banks are increasingly becoming sensitive to increasing investments to ensure fraud prevention. The India Banking Fraud Survey was conducted between August and September 2014. The majority of banks surveyed had an asset size above Rs 5,000 crore.